to add a product to your Shopify store using tools or applications when you're doing the shipping is also just easy. So you just need to log into your Shopify account, and then you're going to go to apps, and then you need to go to all recommended apps, and then you can visit Shopify App Store if you don't see the app that you need here. So if I go to Shopify App Store, this will be opened in a new tab. So once you've gone to the application, the Shopify App Store, you just need to type something like Best Dealer. That is one of the applications that I usually use. So I have Best Dealer here. So you select Best Dealer and Shopify Strengths, and then you can install it. Because I've installed it in my case, it won't appear here, the install option. Now it shows me the open option. So if I click on open this application, I'll need to sign up before I can use it for my to import products on my website. So you can go to open the Aliexpress. Let's say for instance you're doing your product sourcing from Aliexpress. You want to go to this and type Aliexpress, search for it, and then it will open. Once it opens, go back to your Best Dealer tab and ensure you're logged in. Once you have logged in, you can start importing products. Now the imports can either be done from this point, or the easiest and the way that I most recommend is doing it directly from within Aliexpress, because when you do this, you'll have like the option to install, add products via an extension. Remember, you also need to download that extension. Now in this case I have this here, which is DSAS. It requires me to log in, but because I've already logged in with the other one, I just open one product page and see how it goes. So let me pick that one product from the promotion, and then I'll see the import button option. So you see here we have add to. So in my case, if I was using this DSAS, this product would be added there. I'm using this Best Dealer. So you see I already put the added the extension, and I have the Best Dealer icon here. So if I click this, it tells me login. So I'll have to go back here and refresh, because it means the login is yet to be confirmed. This can happen at times, like repeatedly, and you'll have to go through the login process again, but eventually it will work and you'll be able to import this product here. And so once I've added this, if I go to my import list, I'll see all the products that I've imported, which cannot be published to my store until I edit them. So if I take this product here, for instance, change the title, select a collection, like just organize it here. I'm just going to pick any random collection, add type that I have already added. I'm just going to pick any random type 2. If I have tags, I'm going to pick any tag, and then I can go to the next tab, which is a description. It imports the both text and image description from Aliexpress, so you can go to that, keep this or edit it at this point, go to this or choose this description, which gives slightly more detailed description. Let's say I choose to go with that, then I can go to the variants and pick. Now this is where you now set your pricing, like we did with the other video on how to like add your product manually. So you set your pricing and your compare at pricing. You can refer to these details from the initial video that we created. So here you can select the variants that you would like to have. You can deselect some of them, just remove. You can choose to import from certain countries. So if you want to import from Brazil, you'll only have the Brazil one selected, and then you can set your pricing here. Let's say you have that would be 120 or 130 USD, and then compared price, make it maybe 175 or 70. Then now you can go to the next part, which is the images. Select the images that you like to have. Remember, the more images you have, the heavier your page is going to be, so try to minimize the number of images. As long as you have 2 or 3 images that can show all the details on your page, that's well and good. The other thing that you can do is, after importing this, you can go and download the image, compress it, and upload it back. Optionally, you can use another application. You go to the Shopify App Store, look for an application that helps you automatically compress images. you'll have to pay something a bit to use that. But that also affects your website speed, because anytime you add an application, the source code of that website has to appear somewhere on your website, whether on the back end or front end, it still does. So after choosing your images, like in this case for instance, I'll just go and say import this product to the store. So if I import this product to the store, let's copy the title and then maybe give it a few seconds to import that product to my store. Go to the website and search for it, and then I'll paste it there, and now I can tap search and it will give me the product. Now as per now it is yet to be updated, but the more we refresh this, the more we'll have the option. So that's how you import products using an application in Shopify.